Creating something is a dream for some, while others make it a reality. But to make it, you have to start with an idea. We're just a bunch of kids with a dream to make something real. To make this idea a reality. This is a Beta World. What is a Beta World?
A Beta World is an isometric mobile puzzler game.
Solving puzzles and trying to fix the broken world.
Roll the world around this little character.
By sliding, rotating blocks to create a path for your little autonomous character called the Last Spark. You have to rebuild the worlds and beat the game.
I like seeing progression. So progression in general is always good, but when you see it in people, it's even better. So I love teaching because you get to see people go from not understanding something to understanding it and then being able to put it into practice, which is really awesome.
Yeah, I think I agree with that for sure. But I very much do like to see coming back to something that we've talked about or had a discussion with, or I've actually taught or something like that, and a student bringing it up as a point or something in a later conversation. Like, I think that's really rewarding.
So, sorry, what's the slider on the left? I missed
Speed.
that.
That's
speed.
speed. Your character. It's gotta go fast. Speed run strats.
God.
Yeah, we added that like Sanic thing.
Gotta go Sanic.
Sanic. The old Sanic thing.
Let me introduce you to the team, line 5. That's us. So, Yusuf, you got Yusuf, you got Caden, you got Steph, Geordie.
That's not my name.
Apparently not. And I'm Jules.